Okay.
Sir, can we send the answer in chat box?
You need to write on page and you need to write send the image of your answer. Okay. You just can't write the answer with keyboard and send it to me. Clear? Okay. I think it is.
Yes, sir.
First of all, you write the questions. Okay. Then if you have any doubt, then you ask, sir, how to do it, and okay. And then you write the answers. Then you send through WhatsApp. Okay. You can draw the table as it is. You can see in the question paper. So complete the table. So here you can see a table. It contains two columns, topic and sentence. So topic is given and now you need to write sentence, and you can write any sentence. It is as your wish, but of course the sentence must be proper, otherwise I will not give mark. And the sentence must have infinitive. You know, for the first sentence you have to use infinitive. For the second sentence you have to use gerund. For the third you have to use present participle, and for the fourth you have to use past participle. Okay. And don't write same sentences. Clear? There must be variety. Okay. Shall I give one example? What do you think?
Sir, please don't.
Sir, no, sir.
सर एक दे दो.
No, sir.
अरे सर एक दे दो, समझ जाएंगे, फिर याद आ जाएगा.
नहीं सर, मैं खुद
सर दे दो.
Okay, only Sanskar is asking for help, no one else.
सर चैट बॉक्स में दे दो मेरे को.
हाँ
इन
सर,
लोग को रहने दो.
Sanskar, if you speak in Hindi, then probably I will not help you. If you speak,
Send
I
me.
can
You
consider.
can send me in chat box, else will not listen.
No, I can't. I can't help only one student. Okay, so
Sir, they are saying no.
I'm.
You can give example of gerund or present participle. Sir,
Okay,
actually, I'm
if you
confused
ask
that
like
we
that,
translate it from Hindi. That karte hue or karna, I forgot that.
gerund, noun, na. याद आ गया? चलो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, चलो ठीक है.
Sir, we have to make whole table.
No, in one table, one sentence on one
No,
topic.
sir, I am asking that we have to draw lines like you.
If you draw, then it is good. By the
Sir,
way, रो तो बना है, आपको कॉलम बस बनाना है. If you are using line to create columns.
I want to ask something.
Yes.
Sir, in
Yes.
present participle there are adverb na, adjective, adverb,
Adjective.
support verb.
Yes, there. I mean, present participle is adjective. Okay, Piyush.
Adverb, sir, not adjective. Adjective.
It is adjective and used before any noun. Present participle is used before any noun like adjective.
Okay, sir.
Yes, any more question? Second, you can see you need to change the active voice into passive voice. There are 6 sentences. First is Rahul is preparing a new notebook for annual exam. Second, she has taken your book. Third, they broke the wall. Very, very easy. Fourth, complete the task. It is an imperative sentence. If you have written the rules of active to passive voice, then you can easily solve the questions in exam also. Next, people play an important role in democracy. Yes, you are, in your social science, you must have seen this word democracy. What is democracy? Yes, in India, we have the democracy. We have the power to give vote. But in monarchy, it is not like that. King is the supreme of the country in a monarchy. Okay. What people want, that doesn't matter. What king wants, that is the matter. Next, the sixth one, he gave me this pen. So yes, if you apply logic, if you apply the rule properly, then you will get 10 on 10. Okay, so let me see how many of you can earn 10 on 10. Okay, so I think you have not any problem with question number 1. If you need help, so I can help you. I can give one example. Do you want? I don't think you will want. Many of you will not want. Yes, Piyush, you want to say something? Okay. 23 students. Strength is not so good, not so bad. Okay, those who are attending the class regularly, definitely you will get the reward in final exam. Okay, those who are not attending the class, of course their attendance is 0, so they will not get the reward in annual exam. Okay, and one more thing, you need to send the answer sincerely. 20 participants are there, so 23 sheets I will get today. All of you have my WhatsApp number. If you don't have, then you can ask. I will send you definitely.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Who is that?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Yashita.
सर हमने तो सिर्फ 3 टाइप्स पढ़े हैं ना, इन्फिनेटिव, gerund और प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. सर ये पास्ट पार्टिसिपल कहाँ से आ गया?
Past participle we have studied better. Just remember, try to remember. Past participle, third form of verb.
Yes, sir.
We have read, just try to remember. We don't have read a perfect participle. One more participle is there, perfect participle. Okay. May I know the reason, Navya Bagrecha, why you are not able to give the test?
Sir, because I'm going to
Your voice is lagging. Can you write the answer through chat box? And Nabya, you should tell me before. Now you are saying, Nabya, you have texted me a message, so you can send me the answers. Okay, it will not take much time. So send the answers through chat box. And I don't have got what is the problem you are facing. Okay, so now what I can see Adi Jain, two Adi Jain, Chitna, Dharya, Divyansh, Harshit, Jinisha, Jia, Kalash, Mehul, Maulik, Naitik, Nabya, Neil, Parshva, Piyush, Rishabh, Chopra.
यस जी स्मॉल का वो 1 मिनट दिखाओ मैं इसे करती हूँ
Yes, Mehul.
Sir, can you rename me?
What's your name?
Sir, Shashan.
So who is Mehul then?
Sir, it's my brother.
Okay. Okay. You are renamed. Yes, Mehul. Mehul is in class 10th, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have changed your name. Now it is Shashan. Sonia.
चैट में सेंड कर दी
Uh, yes, Navya, what did you say? Please repeat again.
सर चैट में लिखती हूँ
Okay, okay. Okay, do that and send me the answers so that I can give you mark at least. Okay. Anyone, any problem? Vanshika Pincha, I don't get any response from you. Vanshika Pincha, are you writing? Are you writing the answers? Vanshika Pincha, are you there? You know, if you don't give response, then of course your attendance will be negative. Okay. Vanshika has sent me a message. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. So from all of you, I need the answer. Okay.
Sir,
Yes,
question number 2, we have to write question sentence also.
yes, 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 yes. Of course. You have to
Sir,
question and answer. But in
sir,
exam, you will not have to. Yes, yes.
sir, I'm not written the questions.
You have written the questions, no?
Not written.
Why? Wow. Initially, I told. Oh, you have to write the question also because the revision test means what? You know, if you don't know the question, if you have only the answers, how can you understand what you have done?
So, sir,
In revision test, you must write.
will I have to start it again?
If you have space, then you write the question on the
Sir,
top.
I'm in C.
Yes, Yashita.
Sir, I am in the C1. 2 ka C.
Okay, so if there is space at the top of the answer, you write the question, or you can
Okay, sir.
write after finishing the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't ask anyone again, sir. Will we have to write answer? Yes, you have to write answer and question both. Okay. You need to write questions.
Sir, I'm
Answer
writing
तो लिखना
questions
ही पड़ेगा ना.
separately in
Okay,
other
no
page.
problem. No problem.
Sai
Together
writing
in
question.
the other page.
Yes, Piyush.
So I writing questions
I am
and,
writing questions. I
and
am.
answer.
Good, very good. You are writing questions and answer. Nice. Keep it up. Shubh, you can write the questions just below the answers. Means as you finish the answer, then you can write the question. Okay. So why? See, revision test means what? Revision test will help you in exam. So before the examination, you can check, recheck the revision tests. Okay. So at that time you can understand. Okay, these are the questions and these are the answers. Okay. So of course there will be a big help if you don't write question. So you will wondering. Okay, question क्या था? Question क्या था? You will be thinking only. That's why you need to write the questions. But in final exam, you don't need to write question. Okay. Okay. I think you have understood why there is importance to write the question. So
सर क्योंकि आपको
Sir, I
कहाँ
have
पता
done.
चलता है इसका?
sanskar, yes, sanskar.
Sir, when you will check, how do you know the question? Are you saying this?
I'm saying, suppose I have taken 5 revision tests, okay, and you have written only the answer. So how can you get what was the question? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that's why it is important to write the questions of revision test.
Sir, I have done.
Okay, Chitna. So you can send me through WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Parshva. I told it already. You can send me through WhatsApp and I will send you the right answer. Or I can show you right now because we have enough time. So those who don't have my WhatsApp number, I am sending you. I hope all of you must have.
Yes, sir, we have it.
Uh, Adi Jain,
Sir, our WhatsApp number.
that is present participle. Adi Jain.
Sir, I have sent.
Okay, my mobile is saying yes. Your messages are coming. Let me see. Okay, I have got from. It is written Gaurav in the name. Okay.
Sir, he is my brother.
Yes. Do. अरे, मैं भूल ही गया था. Write your name and admission number on the top of the page. Okay. So don't forget to write your name. Otherwise, I will be confused. Whose answer sheet it
Sir, I
is?
have sent. Sir,
Yes.
that one.
I have got. So in message itself, in WhatsApp message, you write your name. No?
Sir,
Yes, sir, I am writing.
Those who have
sir,
not sent, they have to write name and admission number at the top of the page. Then you send.
okay, sir.
Okay, and I hope.
Sir, done. I'm sending you right now.
Okay. Okay, so just do one thing. Question number. Parshwa. That is imperative sentence. Complete the task. So there is a certain rule to convert imperative active voice into imperative active voice into imperative passive voice. So I don't think you missed the class. We have understood how to convert an imperative sentence into
Yes, sir, you taught it.
yes. Okay, so few students I can see they have left. Very bad. Why they are doing so? Okay, so just turn on your camera once more. Let me see. I can see Maulik only. Yes, you need to turn on. the digital eye. Okay, I can see Navya. She's in car. Okay, you can write the message, Navya. I mean, sorry, write the answers in WhatsApp and send me. Okay. You can take screenshot, take the screenshot and write the answers and then send me to my WhatsApp number. Okay, Navya? I think the thing is clear. Yes. बाकी लोग किधर है? बाकी लोगों का कैमरा खराब हो गया, कैमरे में वायरस आ गया लगता है. ओके, पीयूष दिख रहा है एकदम कहीं कॉर्नर से. हाँ, आदि जैन हो गया बेटा, डन, कंप्लीटेड.
Yes, sir.
यू हैव सेंट.
No, sir.
ओके, जल्दी से सेंड कर दो. कलश, व्हाट अबाउट?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा, हो गया कंप्लीट.
Yes, sir.
Okay, time is
Done.
going to over now, so we have to stop the class.
Sir, I sent you.
सर क्वेश्चन तो लिखने दो.
So you just take the screenshot, na? If
2 minutes.
take the screenshot. If the class
Sir,
is also you can. Okay, done. No?
sir,
Taken.
I not write full answers. What I do?
You can send after. You take your time, but don't take much time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you can take 10 minutes more, not more than that. But in exam, beta, you need to be careful because exam में ऐसे 10 मिनट नहीं दिया जाएगा. As it is revision test, that's why I can.
सर एग्जाम का टाइमिंग क्या रहेगा?
टाइमिंग देखो 2 hours का है. अब वो डिसाइड नहीं हुआ है कि वो कौन से.
सर ऑब्जेक्टिव सिर्फ 2 आवर्स का रहेगा हमारा.
यस, नहीं ऑब्जेक्टिव है ना, तो 1 hour रहेगा. सॉरी, हम लोग का सिर्फ ऑब्जेक्टिव है तो 1 hour का रहेगा. ठीक है, वो कौन से 1 hour है वो आपको ग्रुप में बता दिया जाएगा कब से कब. ठीक है. Yes, so it is 10:22.
Sir, continuously you will be receiving the messages.
Yes, Ashita.
Sir, continuously you will be receiving the messages.
Yes, I am listening the notification tone. Tunuk, 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 tunuk.
Sir, we are also listening that.
Okay.
Sir, can I say a fact?
बेटा tomorrow है ना, रोज एक एक फैक्ट जानेंगे तो याद भी रहेगा. एक साथ सारे.
सर tomorrow my chance. Tomorrow my chance.
Okay, let me see tomorrow. अच्छा, both of you, Piyush
सर
and.
कल छुट्टी रहेगी ना?
Oh yes.
Sir,
तुम लोग का तो
Christmas
continue-
holidays we will not
Sir,
get.
Merry Christmas.
हाँ बेटा, मिलेगा
Sir,
Christmas
tomorrow
vacation.
is Christmas. Sir, we will not get the holiday.
Yes, happy
Sir,
Christmas.
Okay.
Yes.
Can
Sir,
I?
Merry Christmas.
Yes, happy
Sir, Merry Christmas in advance.
Thank you.
Sir Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
but we don't know we will get holiday or not.
Sir,
you will.
Most
परसों ही स्कूल हो जाता है.
Merry Christmas, sir.
You will get holiday, but I will send the link for revision test. ठीक है, उसको देते रहना. गूगल फॉर्म में मैं भेजूंगा रिवीजन के लिए, क्योंकि वेकेशन के जस्ट बाद एग्जाम शुरू हो जाएगा, तो यू नीड टू बी रेडी फॉर दैट. एंड दिस टाइम आप लोग वो कर लो, मतलब पूरा मार्क्स लाना है. ऐसा एकदम क्या बोलना चाहिए, रिजोल्यूशन बना लो कि हमें पूरा मार्क्स चाहिए. ठीक है.
सर
Yes,
हॉलीडे
We'll try our best.
Yes, for holiday you will get message to today itself. ठीक है, आज शाम तक आ जाएगा मैसेज ग्रुप में.
Thank you, sir.
I telling an amazing fact.
Okay, tomorrow बेटा, सॉरी आप tomorrow तो नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट जब क्लास होगा तब तक के लिए.
Okay.
अच्छा वैसे बोल दो, चलो पीयूष 2-3 बार बोला, बोलो बेटा पीयूष, जल्दी से बोल दो, क्लास एंड होने वाला है.
सर हिंदी में कह दूं?
हाँ बोलो
ऐसे नहीं
बोलो.
हो।
अच्छा जल्दी बोलो, हिंदी में बोलो, चलो.
सर आप सोच सकते हो एक जेलर एक सबसे कम टाइम जेल में रहने का कितना होगा? 1 मिनट.
कितना?
एक
1 मिनट.
I know it's 1 minute.
एक
I saw it
सेकंड
in YouTube.
कितना टाइम
1
है?
मिनट का.
के आ गया होगा वापस वो.
1 मिनट में सर अंदर जाओ और अंदर वापस
Yes,
आ
sir.
जाओ.
I saw this on YouTube.
सर पुलिस वाला कर सकता है, खोल के गया और तुरंत
सर तो 1 मिनट भी नहीं
रिकॉर्ड
होगा
बन
सर.
जाएगा।
लेस देन
अरे
1 मिनट.
10 सेकंड में भी हो जाएगा, ऐसा बोल रहे तो.
सर
Less than 1 minute left.
तब मेरे को तो लगता है एक पैसा चुराने का होगा सजा.
The time is over.
हाँ, टाइम इज ओवर. सी यू.
बाय पीयूष.